Okay, so you can see here, I'm calling right now. There's 1, 2, 3, maybe even 4. I don't know. And those are them. We don't have Hound on. I don't know why it's not on. Okay, Hounds need to be on. And then we'll see here. We can see them. They're replying back with a 12, a 16, a 9. I'm picking them up at -4, -2, -4. So I'm getting them pretty good. They're pretty strong. We're not going to see anybody else's signals in here. I think the reason the sound is so strange is because there's 3 signals that are exactly the same but in different spots. So, I worked them on 40 and it was really a pain. It took quite a while. So I don't imagine this like happening really quickly here. So I'm gonna come back when I get a reply if I ever do. But also, I downloaded an app on my phone called DX Pocket or something like that. You just like get like a DX spotting thing. You can kind of get an idea where these guys are going to be at, and then because you don't want to just kind of blindly look for them. But I think they're on like maybe 4 or 5 bands at a time. So and they probably have like a bunch of different laptops going and stuff like that. So anyway, wow, that was actually really quick. But what's happening is this thing is not automatically replying to them, so then I have to click on it while it's transmitting, and what that does is that really screws things up, and I don't know if it's something to do with the auto TX sequence, but it didn't work on the other one either. I had to click on it. I don't know if you guys saw what I did. So luckily they will call me again, and now I can get the full thing, because if this doesn't transmit the whole thing, they usually don't get it. Sometimes you can miss a few milliseconds at the beginning. So hopefully this goes through. Okay, so it went good. We'll click halt. We've got our Roger 73. I don't know if I need to send them a 73. I guess I probably do. This thing is such a pain. It's like not automatically doing what it's supposed to do. It's really stupid. So once it sends that, like, I don't know if that's considered a contact or not with ft8. Some people will be like, oh, that's not a contact. Well, I don't know. I'm not going to pay for a QSL card, and they're not going to confirm in QRZ, so what does it matter? So we'll go get them logged in here. We'll go here to 60 meters. And we'll have to type in our frequency. 5 357. Click save. Request confirmation. Which I don't understand, why do I need to do this? But if you don't do this for other types of people, you won't get a confirmation. I don't know why. It's really stupid. And then you get these ones here where it's like blue. It's seen, but they didn't do anything with it. And these ones are sent. And then, like, I get a lot of these. This is why if you don't send me a 73, what I do is I just don't log it. Anyway, I know I worked this guy. I totally remember working him. But he either doesn't know how to use QRZ or he didn't get my final. So what I do is I just delete that one. I don't need that in my log. Look for other ones. Let's see. So when you get ones like that look like this, they're never going to confirm. You can just pretty much go ahead and delete those. But anyway, so that's pretty much it on the deal here. I'll try and get them on all bands, so I'll figure out what bands they're on later on.